Hey, what's up guys, it's Gus with CALI Rebuildables, and today it's raining outside, like um, I'm not working on the E90, I'm working on the bumper. Well, it's on the for the E90, but I want to upload this video of the full build of the 750 ever since the day I got it to the last video you saw. So I just got small clips, short clips from every single video just to make this whole video. There's a lot of you guys that are new to the channel. I haven't got a chance to see my other videos, so this will just sum all the videos up, like in short clips of the 750, all the things that I did to it. So basically it's not gonna go into detail for all of them. If you want to see every single detail that I did to the car, you might want to go check out my videos on the 750. This video is gonna fly through all the process, so I'm gonna be talking about it through the video because I deleted all the sound on the original videos because it was just too noisy. And so yeah guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you like the videos. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, give it a thumbs down if you don't. Leave me a comment, a good comment, negative comment, whatever. I'll try to answer all my comments. If I haven't answered some of your comments, that's because they go to the spam and I haven't checked them. So when I check them, I find out that there's like 3-4 videos stacked up, as spam. So I'll check them out and then they'll go to the normal comment section. So if I don't answer to your comments, that's the reason. So let's get to this video, guys. Okay guys, so here we are at the Martinez Copart yard, picking up the BMW 750. Me seeing the car in person. This is the second day, and as you can see, the primary damage on the car is all the paint, guys. These guys scratched the paint all over every single panel is scratched. So the secondary damage on this car was the mechanical. So at that point I did not know what the mechanical problem was because the battery was dead, so I had to replace the battery. So as soon as I replaced the battery, I installed it. I tried turning the car on. The car does run, but I find out the big problem, and that's the transmission, guys. The transmission was the problem. The car did not run forward, it would just drive backwards. So too late for me to find out. It was already had it home. But either way, the battery was up around 230, somewhere around that. So instead of taking the car to the mechanic, to a professional to take care of the transmission, I decided to do it myself, guys. I was thinking already, if I was gonna pay 2,000 bucks for a transmission, might as well just do it myself. Try to do it myself first. So I went ahead and lowered the mechatronics, all the oil pan, as you can see, and I ordered the kit. So this is the mechatronics already, and these are the broken seals that were underneath. Now for this kit was $180 plus shipping. So it came with the oil pan and all those leaves, like this one also, the broken one, so I had to replace that. And this is the kit that I'm talking to you guys about. I was gonna replace the oil pan, the filter, and the oil pan and the filter is the same one, so there was nothing else to do but buy the whole thing. So but it was actually okay because I needed all that stuff. It was, like I said, $180 for this whole kit plus 50 bucks of overnight, so that brings it up to, what is it, 230. I also bought this other kit. It's a solenoid that comes with that new wiring, new wires, and the green solenoid. So this is the solenoid that I'm talking to you guys about, the green one. The other one checked out okay, but the green one was causing me troubles, so I have to replace it. And it came with all that piece that goes inside. See that whole thing? So that kit came with it. So These are the sleeves, guys, that I have to replace. These are the new ones. So, and when I was doing that, guys, I was really hoping for it to work. There's the new other seal. Cause like I said, I'm not a professional. So everything's put back together. New fluids, new oil pan, new filter, new seals. So this is when I give it a test drive, guys. My first test drive. And the good thing is, you know, I was really surprised when I got that thing on the road and it started driving forward. You know, I was really happy. You know, just imagine how happy I was. So now, after I got that transmission working, the new battery, the car was running perfect, I let it sitting for a while, and I found out the second big problem with the car. You know, at that point I was already about to give up, but like I said on my videos, you know, I really wanted to see this car, you know, running good and on the road, plates and everything. I really wanted to see this car, you know, back on the road. So I couldn't let that go at that moment. So check it out. See, started smoking. And that's the valve stem seals. I started looking for prices and they were really expensive, guys. So I found a shop that was doing it for $1,200 and that he was gonna give me 3 months or 3,000 mile warranty. So, you know, I went for it. So right here I'm about to leave it at the shop and wait like 2 weeks for them to have it ready. So I had my finger crossed, guys. So right here I got the car back and it was running perfect. So the next thing to do was tackle the paint. As you can see, the paint was bad. They keyed the car in every single panel, like I told you guys earlier. So I was about to take it to a shop also, guys, but like I said, DIY. I'm a DIY person. We have to do it, everything, you know, by myself. I could pay a shop, but what's the point of that? I mean, if I was a shop, then I wouldn't consider myself a DIY person, because, you know, that'll be my job. I'm a professional, but I'm not. I like doing things myself. So, and they came, I mean, the car came out pretty good for a DIY person. So here is the last sanding I give the car. So, and have it ready for the next day, paint it. So maybe not the next day, I don't remember exactly how long it took, but that's the paint that I got. A jet black paint for $209. Includes all the kit, 1 gallon of paint and everything else you need. So I also did the halo lights. That was like $13, guys. You'll see right now in the night. See, I like the white ones better. They look bluish on the camera, but they're white. So for $13, and I also did the fog lights. The fog lights were like $10 also. So it was like a $23 set. So I mean, make it look a lot better. So I did it. Right now we're about to spray the car and all the panels. So like I said, the valve stem seals were $1,200. So keep that in mind, guys. The car itself was $950, and it came out to $1,300 without the fees out the door. So you guys could sum that up. $1,200 for the car. Then I did like around 200 and something for the battery. Then like $200 for the seals, and like another $200 for the relay. So that brings it up $600. Then $1,200 for the valve stem seals. Then $23 for the lights. $209 for the paint. And the paint job, priceless. So I did it myself, and check it out, guys. After it's dried up, super glossy, super glossy. I mean, if you guys see this car in person, you wouldn't tell that I did it, or that I did it in my brother's backyard. But you're watching it, you're seeing it. We did it in the backyard under a canopy. So right here I'm polishing it, and that was like, you can see the polish compound on the floor. That was like $9, and I did the rubbing compound and then the polishing compound, so that was like $20 there too. The rest is just easy stuff. The paint came out looking nice, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. So the vinyl wrap was like 40 something bucks for the hood and the trunk, but I was short on the hood, so you can see the hood right there. I was short on the trunk, that's why I didn't do it, and plus I messed up. So here's another DIY little project that I did, and those are blacking out the taillights. The spray can was like $15, $13 or $15, I can't really remember, but I should have left them red. I kind of like the way they look before now that I have them black, but I'll probably bring them back to red. But let me know what you guys think about the taillights also. If you want to see the full video on this, you could search on my other videos and see how I did it. I was gonna paint the rims black also, guys, but then I was like, nah, what if I want to bring them back to normal? So right now I vinyl wrapped them, and I could easily remove the vinyl. So, and these are the end results, guys. You saw the video, there's no need for me to play the whole video again. If you want to see the video of the end results, you can search in my last videos. But that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Subscribe if you haven't, and see you guys in the next video.